Say hey. We're getting ready to head to the airport. We're finally going. We were supposed to fly out yesterday. We're going to Portland to see Lauren is. And yeah, we had a blizzard the last 2 days. You can see outside, lots of snow. So that slowed us down a whole bunch. Delayed us a day, but we're still going. It'll just have 1 day less than what we were anticipating, but we're super excited, right? Yeah, so excited. Here we go. Buddy, we're going. Good job, buddy boy. Wouldn't be the start of an adventure without an adventure. Israel fell asleep. We've been waiting here for
half an hour.
He fell asleep in the cell phone line, so he is finally on his way. Hey, dude. What's up, man? Hey. Sorry. It's okay. How you doing? Good morning. Good morning, sleepyhead.
Hi.
Thinking, oh, I'll be able to like feel my phone or.
Like that, and she's like that, so she'll sleep. Yeah.
I'm gonna go get him out. Oh, hey, man. Our first chair of the day. Woo! Hey, so fun. We're gonna be lapping and lapping and lapping in Heather. Woo woo! Yep. We're dropping. Yeah, that was fun. Out here, nobody here. Nobody on chairs for miles. Oh, there's one guy, 4 chairs up there, but been a ton of fun. So much fun. muddy paws.
Full body. Rugged exterior. Cold on my hands. We need to get a picture of all 4 of us together. We haven't yet.
We do. Are you dry back there, Ruby?
It looks like he's got the best seat in the house. Hi, Ruben. Hi, Ruby.
We're out for a hike now, as you can tell. Not sure the name of it, but it's super pretty. And a graffiti building. That's lovely. Ready, go. What are we doing here?
We are talking about.
No, what are we doing?
We're on a hike in the beautiful Portlandia suburban experience. We have seen lots of moss and we have likened it quite a bit.
Cut.
You guys think you want to sit by fire if possible? Okay.
Food truck time.
Where's the other appetizer we've had?
I think it's pretty good.
Yeah. Give it a 7.
Yeah? Hanging out on track meet. Ooh, there they go. Good girl, Ren. Yes. Good girl. Mount Hood, yeah. Way in the distance. Busy day today. Woo! So cool.
Yeah.
Ruben, you're missing it, buddy.
Their family here.
They're soaking in the bathhouse. Spa day. So is
Spa day.
and the boys and Ren are gonna go on out on a hike. Hop up. But we gotta go back in the car first.
Yep.
Then hike.
Iowa.
What do you think, buddy? Woohoo! Yeah! So cool, right? Whoa, buddy! We made it back from the waterfall. Ooh, water. Ruben, what were your thoughts, buddy? No thoughts? cold.
Yeah, I'm getting the oxygen pumping through the blood. First time I only like got into like my belly button, but I stayed in for like maybe a minute. And then the second time I dipped all the way to the top of my neck.
What?
Such a kidder.
It's like a water slide.
I will do the maple.
Mine's the grape cake, which is a perfect.
What part did you want?
What do you think?
Braving the rain and the wind. Right, buddy? The mighty Pacific Ocean. You okay there, buddy? Quick stop at the beach. Was very quick. Ruben was a trooper. He's all bundled up. Called it pretty quick. Understandably so. It's very windy, very rainy, pretty cold. We're on our way to work. What a bumpy day. Woo! Coffee.
Last coffee before leaving. It's very affordable.